The real issues we are facing, illegal migrants, infiltration. Please go and see this highway side, Tamai side, Kangpopi side, and then Dimasa Asau, and Atibung and this Peren side. Lots of new villages. I don't know where they come from. They are occupying our land and they are trying to make it this ancestral land or something like that. Please, my dear brothers and sisters, we are targeted because we are peace-loving people. We need to know where we stand, especially in Manipur, the kind of land encroachment in Zeliangrong areas happening. It's in front of us, and we tend to stay silent because it doesn't benefit individually, but it harms as a community, as a society. We, the present generation, should stand up that this is not done. We have seen in Konsapul issues. We were not unitedly not able to protect our land there. Our brothers and sisters were subjected to untold misery. Anyway, protect Sonam again. Then, what is the purpose of living as a community, as a nation, or as a society? हम लोग सोच के जीना पड़ेगा, because history will never forgive us.